An alarm has been raised over the continued use of asbestos as roofing material due to the cancer-causing elements that are contained in asbestos, a material that was particularly used in the last century. Residents of Nyeri's Blue Valley estate have called upon the government to assist them in replacing the material with something less harmful. Housing Principal Secretary Ida Munano told a parliamentary committee that the government had for decades preferred to use asbestos for roofing due to its versatility and resistance to heat. He admitted that there is now need to change it after research showed that asbestos can cause cancer.
Not by Akina Muru. It was she wrote her own petition. We're not doki. We're not modoki. No, totally hariani.
Saratani
hiyo ni baya, inaweza kutuadhirisha sote, watoto, watu wazima, watu wote.
Mnataka aje sasa kama?
Tunataka tutengenezewa mji wetu.
Kanza imekuwa mingi sana. Kama zinakosa kanza, watoe hatuna shida. Asijastuka.
Kila kitu hizi ni kama iko na kanza.
Kila ukisikia chakula, ukisikia hii inaleta kanza hii sasa. Sasa tujue kweli.